Go across the Hudson River, New Jersey entering a state of emergency in just a few hours ahead of this big storm on the way. Pix 11's Giovanni Diaz live right now in Hoboken. Gio.
John, good morning. We have 3 hours before that state of emergency goes into effect, and it's common to talk about state of emergency as we brace for strong and severe weather. So basically, to explain what that means is that the state would have it will be easier for the states to respond in case of emergencies, and also to free up funds so they can deal with the storm and with the aftermath of the storm. Now, again, that state of emergency goes into effect at noon today, and before then, you can tell the people are starting to get ready for this storm. And take a look here behind me. This Trader Joe's is actually packed. I just went in there moments ago. The shelves are empty, not only at this location, but also since yesterday. These Trader Joe's in Clifton also packed. Lots of folks getting ready, stocking up food and whatever they're going to need as we brace for yet another round of severe weather here across the tri-state. And one of the major concerns this time around is actually the wind. Mike Masco was just talking about it. Stacey and Gooden has been talking about that. A blizzard warning is now in effect already for most of the state here in New Jersey, going all the way until tomorrow morning at least. The extra winds are also the major threat for people who are driving in, around, to and from New Jersey. And that is expected to continue to be a threat all the way until tomorrow. State officials, including Governor Mikey Sherrill, are asking folks to stay home if they can.
Across New Jersey, we expect between 10 to 20 inches of snow. Winds will be much stronger than the storm in January, between 35 and 50 miles an hour.
And you have a few hours left before the state of emergency begins here in New Jersey. After that, the warning is stay inside if you can.